Hi guys, this is Milan from Hypermedia, and in today's video we're gonna talk about my Bitcoin trades. So let's hop into it. Okay, so yeah, it's not looking good, as you can see in my face. Uh, so we started with $300, and I said I'm gonna double it and stick to my plan that 10% a day. We are gonna double it in 10 days. It's more than 10 days, past more than 10 days, we got in a huge Bitcoin cycle, in a huge drop and pump and dump, maybe, I don't know. I tried a lot of things and I failed. I failed terribly. So, guys, I know I said to you guys, I'm not good in trading. I never been good in trading. I always lost money. However, I liked it. It's pretty good. Maybe I do it again if you guys want to. But I wanted to talk about the things that I went wrong. I did it wrong. So the plan was to gain 10% a day with a 10 times leverage, which means 1% a day, which is not bad. And at the first day, the problem was, guys, I was greedy. As I said before, that's my problem with stock trading and Bitcoin trading, that I am too greedy for this. So yeah, the problem was that I got into trading and the first day I lost. Okay, I said that's not bad, but I said in my plan that losing is the worst outcome. Okay, no problem. I said I'm gonna make it back in the next day. But if you lose 10%, you have to make back 12 or 15, so a lot more to just get back into your starting point. So I tried to do that in the second day. I got up to 10-12%, but I said, oh, okay, that's gonna go more. Okay, I fucked it up there because it went down and stopped by my stop loss. Yeah, so I fucked up terribly. Okay, the third day, I was with my friends at a party, or we just, the friendly gathering, and I saw a huge opportunity. So I said, okay, let's go do it. Let's go in. So I got in. It went up like 25%, but I said, oh, it's going to go up because, I watched the signals. I'm, I was pretty convinced that it's going to break the support up and going to go up to almost 70k, which it didn't do. So it's bad, but at least it go up to 25% and then go down like 5 or 10%. But I said, okay, that's it. I cut my stop loss and I said, I'm gonna have diamond hands and I'm gonna hold it until the end. Yeah, it was a good tactic because the resistance did break after a retest at down the support, and then it goes right up in the skies. Yeah, when the Bitcoin goes up to 65,000, 64, I was in, and I was at 60% gain. So I was with my 250 because I lost two times 10%. I was in $100 profit or more, 150 maybe. And that's when the shit gets real. So yeah, I fucked up really good. Sorry for the language, guys, but I fucked up really good. I was too greedy to get out. I said, I saw the signals. The next support was at 68. I said, if it's go to 66 or 67, I'm going to double my money. That's the goal of the series, and I'm gonna be good. And then nobody knows what happens. Basically, nobody knows what happened. It dropped like a bitch. I don't know what happened. I don't know any YouTuber who I watch with Bitcoin. Nobody know what happened at that time. it dropped back to 60. And I don't know why, but I'm good at least because I sell that and I made a little bit of profit there. But the problem starts here because I was at like 280, so I was good. But then, uh, you know, so you, I'm going into Ethereum because that's what's popping. I made such silly trades. I'm not watching any patterns, not watching any candles, not watching anything. I just said, oh, it's gonna go down. Oh, let's short it. I shorted it. Bam! It's bumped up my stop loss. Bam! I got a 10% off or 25 because I said I'm really good with 25 because I'm gonna hold it. Okay, it's not going to happen. Bumped up my stop loss, filled up my stop loss, sorry, and I fucked up, lost 25%, and do it again. Do this with Bitcoin, shorting, buying, and lost 10%, lost 25, lost 10 again. And basically, I am at 0% right now. Lost everything. And I watched a lot of people and they said XRP is going to go up if they uh, um, get through the support, which was in 1.5 USD. So yeah, I set a limit order. Yeah, it braked, and then there was the huge Bitcoin drop, and of course, if Bitcoin drops, everything drops. Expect Ethereum. Ethereum shuts up in the air. Yeah, so lost on XRP, lost on Bitcoin, and lost on Ethereum because I was just too quick fires, going, and lost. So yeah, that was my trades. I try to put up the trades if you want to, if I can, but I am not the best trader, and I said it to you guys. It is dangerous. Yeah, I lost 300, more than 300 because I put in a little bit more for XRP. I lost more, but yeah, this is how it goes, guys. Money is just a game. You just have to play it cool. I wanted to get so much money in short time. That's how it goes. So don't get into the hype train. But if you guys want me to try out again with Bitcoin trading, just please comment down below. Try it, boy, or something like this, because I really liked it. I lost everything, but I really liked it. It's maybe a good way to make a little bit of cash each day. Yeah. But by the way, guys, the problem was here is that I did not follow my plan. If I would follow through with my plan, I would be right now with the really good double my gains. Or the problem was that I'm not sold at the top. Okay, nobody did because nobody did that. Nobody knows that was the top because, yeah, basically that wasn't the top. Just Bitcoin think that was the top and it goes down. So guys, if you want to see the next try of me doing this, just comment down below. And I hope you guys like this mini series. Leave a like if yes, and I'm seeing the next one. Goodbye, guys.